In the past, wars have led to inflation and higher commodity prices. Fighting disrupts trade and prevents raw materials from being shipped from one country to another. In Second World War Britain, a banana was the height of luxury. Two sisters were at a dinner party when the conversation turned to upbringing. The elder sister started to say that her parents had been very strict and that she had been rather frightened of them. Her sister, younger by 2 years, interrupted in amazement. "What are you talking about?" she said. "Our parents were very lenient." Living room is the most used part that withholds most of the traffic coming in and out of the house. It is highly recommended that the flooring should be strong enough that it can endure all such amendments done with your furniture or to the increasing and decreasing ratio of visitors. For this purpose, you can opt for hardwood flooring. Being classy and sophisticated in look, it is the perfect choice for your living room whenever you are remodeling your home. How do you imagine of the unimaginable? If we ask you to think of an object, says the yellow tulip, a picture immediately form in our mind's eye. But if we try to imagine the concept such as a square root of a negative number, it seems that language appeared from nowhere since no other species has anything resembling human language. However, other animals do possess basic systems for perceiving and producing sounds that enable them to communicate. These systems may have been in place before the appearance of language. While blue is one of the most popular colors, it is one of the least appetizing. Blue food is rare in nature. Food researchers say that when humans searched for food, they learned to avoid toxic or spoiled objects which were often blue, black, or purple. When food dyed blue is served to study subjects, they lose appetite. Research indicates that more than 60% of customers are now willing to complain most of the time, a 10% increase in 5 years. 61% say they expect a telephone complaint to be resolved on the same day compared to 51% in 2001. In the photo, the wild cat's huge paws are clamped onto the side of the white safari jeep in which Chapel was a passenger. Almost as tall as the jeep on her hind legs, she appeared to be forcing her muzzle into the back window. Pollution's devastating effects on the environment have become more obvious in recent years and have resulted in efforts to promote energy efficiency, less reliance on fossil fuels, and a reduction in air and water pollution. Most scientists agree that such changes are necessary to protect our environment from further harm. A study found that the research funded by the soft drinks industry have different results from research funded by other sources and went on to suggest that there may have been biased by the research itself. The whole point of the scientific methods is to ensure the research results are not influenced by the source of funding.